Hello everyone, my dear friends, brothers and sisters. I Sachin Sahu in front of you and I am expressing my view on consistency. My dear friends, consistency means always keep working on the idea, on the things and on the vision until you become perfect. And simply in one word I explain the meaning of consistency is regularity. It is very important in every department of life. Whatever you are doing, you are studying, you are teaching, playing, you are in the job, etc. The first need is consistency, that you are regular in your field, in your job. In my childhood, my teachers used to say that consistency is the key of success. Why they told us and explained, there is a huge reason why we are if we are doing any work and if we not follow the regularity, then we have no option of getting success. We will definitely give up. There are lots of example in the world of consistency, but I want to explain one example of Amazon river. My dear friends, Amazon river is the world longest river, but what is the specialty in it? We in our country we have thousands of river, but Amazon rivers, what is the specialty in it? Special is that Amazon rivers is beginning between the two mountains in the North America. It is beginning between two mountains and the huge ground where the rainwater like dropping, that drop by drop process. But after 8 seconds another drop falls, and this 8 seconds create a huge river, the world biggest river. And if we are talking about consistency, then we learn more things like patience, positivity, practice and never give up attitude. Patience means we are hopeful that something will happen, something good will happen. Positivity, that okay, we face the challenge, but after some times the new sun will rise. And never give up attitude, that that is not a key role. But if I talk about a person, he is not an example, he is an inspiration, motivation to all the world. Sir Thomas Alva Edison. My dear friends, in his life from the age of 11 to 84, not a single day or not a single hour or a minute, he always faced the failure. But the attitude toward the life and for the world, they created history. Before his death, 1092 means 1092 equipment he made. It is not a small achievement, but what is the greatness in it, that he kept always working on the idea, on the vision, with the patience, with positivity and never give up attitude. The all things are in the man, Mr. Thomas Alva Edison. I will conclude my talk with two Hindi lines, that करत करत अभ्यास के जड़मती हो तो सुजात, रसरी आवत जाव से सिल पर परत निशान. That in life we face problem, but it is not a solution that facing the problem we will always come out in it. Sir, our late president Sir APJ Abdul Kalam said that no a single thing is useless. A off watch shows correct time twice in a day. So if we will deeply think about our topic that we will take something new energy and positivity to make a happy and simple life. So at last I feel that after watching my TED talk, viewers feel something good and positivity to make the happy and simple life and play a important role in developing the nation. Thank you so much.